Dear students, here we discuss about the best, average, and worst case analysis. What is called as the best case, what is called as the average case, and what is called as the worst case of analysis of algorithm. First, you have to go to the best case. So, best case means it represents the minimum time of resource required for algorithm to complete its execution. For example, in best case, a searching algorithm might find the target element in the first place. That means it is called as the best case. In a linear search algorithm, the best case occurs when the target element is the first element of the array. So there are an element is there. Suppose you are searching an element. If the element is found in the first position, means it's called the best case. If it is found in the second, means it is not the best case. If it is found in the first position, means it is called as the best case. Okay. So you are well known about another one search is there, binary search is there. So there are n element is there. Here the n elements are sorted. So we have to find the midpoint. Suppose you are searching on the element. If it is for the mid element means that is a best case. That is a best case. Next, you have to go to the next slide. Worst case. Go to the description. This is the exact opposite of the best case. The worst case analysis provides an upper bound on the time or resource needed for the algorithm completion. For instance, a worst case scenario for a sorting algorithm would be sorting a list that is in the completely reverse order. Example. In a linear search example, the worst case happens when the target element is at the end of the array. Note that if the element is in the end of the array or not present at all, that is the worst case. So n element is there. If the element is found in the last position, that is called the worst case. If the element is not present in the given array, this is also called as the worst case. So here you have to denote it as the time complexity is big O of n because the element is found in the last place only. So you have to mention as a big O of n. Okay. Next, what is called as the average case? Look at this. In average case analysis, we take all possible inputs and calculate the computing time for all the inputs, sum of the calculated values, and divide the sum of the total input values. Example, for a linear search algorithm, the average case occurs when the target element is the first, maybe the first element, or maybe in the last element, or maybe in the between element. So that is called as the average case. Sorry, that's called as the it's called as the average case. How will you find the average case? Maybe the first position, the first element, or second element, or third element, 10 element. So sum of all calculated values divided by the sum of the total inputs. So big O of n plus 1 by 2. This is called the average case. So next we have to move to the another one example. And go to the binary search. So the average cases arises when the target element is present in some location other than the central index or extremes. The time complexity depends on the number of comparisons to reach the desired element. Therefore, the overall average case time complexity of binary search is big O of log n. So students are well known about